Meditation on the family. The family is the most fundamental unit in society. If it is ruled by peace and human values, then not only will parents live happily and free of tension, but their children and grandchildren will too, and even generations after that. If they have a religious faith, their children will naturally be drawn to this. If they speak politely to each other and behave ethically, love each other and have mutual respect, if they help those in need and show concern for the world around them, it is highly likely that their children will follow suit and become responsible people. On the other hand, if the mother and father are continuously fighting and insulting each other, if they just do whatever comes into their heads without thinking of others, then not only will they never be happy themselves, but their children will inevitably fall victim to their influence. Daily advice from the heart.